Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Check the micro SD type and the adapter label so compatibility is clear, then power off the target device to protect data. Once done, hold the card by the edges. Do not touch the gold contacts because oils can block signals. Make sure the adapter slot orientation matches the micro SD notch. Then gently slide the micro SD into the adapter until it seats. Doing this first reduces connection issues and speeds up the next step when you insert the adapter into your device. Now insert the adapter into the device's card slot, aligning the notch and pushing until it sits flush. Force causes damage, so be gentle. Once seated, power the device on and wait for it to mount. Make sure the adapter's right protect switch is in the correct position so you can transfer files. If the device requests formatting, use FAT32 or XFAT depending on card size. Format only if necessary because it erases data. Doing these middle steps ensures stable access and correct file handling going forward. Finish by confirming the device recognizes the card and shows the expected capacity, then copy or move your files. Make sure to use the device's safe eject or unmount option before removing the adapter to avoid corrupting data. When done, store the adapter and micro SD in a protective case. If the card isn't recognized, try this troubleshooting tip. Power down, reseat the micro SD in the adapter, clean contacts with a lint-free isopropyl wipe, and test the card in another device to isolate adapter versus card failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.